What you see here is the Cura 4. It's a 4-piston brake by Formula, combined with a rotor, I think, from Trickstuff with 203 millimeters. I like the optics a lot, especially that you can see, wait a second if I can get it focused, you can see the piston moving inwards, and the design itself is pretty slim. And if you get a fitting matchmaker for your one-up dropper post or whatever you use, yeah, the design is pretty neat, but that's not the reason I do the video. I do this video because originally this is a Cura from 2016 which had a guide RSC on it, and after, I don't know, 3 or 4 long blue lines, I got hand pumped pretty heavily because the brakes weren't as good as those ones. And yeah, I do this video because I can really recommend this brake. I've tested it a little bit now. Of course, I'm not a professional mountain biker by any means, but I don't have the problem anymore that after a few lines my hands are hurting, or the muscle that is necessary for braking. And so far I'm pretty happy with not only the braking power, because you can easily operate the whole system with one finger, but I'm also pretty happy with the modulation. It got a little bit, it needed some time to get used to it, but there are not many reviews out there, so if you're on the edge deciding if you want to go for a Cura 4 or not, I personally would recommend it. It somehow combines the modulation of the SRAM brakes with the 0-1 binary braking from an MT7 or some Magura brake. I rode both systems. I did ride both systems on several bikes, but of course now that this is a little bit biased because it's my brake, probably, I don't know, but if you're on the edge deciding if you go for a Cura 4 or not, or give it a try, I would happily recommend it so far.